The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are set to become the latest and greatest smartphone from the house of Google, and even though there's still a few months between now and the eventual release of the two phones, there's already plenty of information available. In fact, Google can be thanked for many of the details, as the company has continually released Pixel 7 and 7 Pro teasers over the past few weeks and months. As mentioned, Google has already been hard at work teasing the new Pixel phones and confirmed there are some design changes on the horizon. One of the most notable is the camera bar on the rear of the phones. The use of a camera bar was first introduced with the Pixel 6 series, and Google has now refined the look so that it more neatly integrates and fuses with the frame of the phones. The bar also now includes camera-specific cutouts which differ depending on the device. For example, while the standard Pixel 7 includes a single cutout housing both sensors, the Pixel 7 Pro includes two separate cutouts to collectively form an eye shape on the back of the phone. The camera bar is also now made from recycled aluminum and not glass. And Google has confirmed that the Pixel 7 will be available to buy in obsidian, snow, and lemongrass colors. For those planning on picking up the Pixel 7 Pro, the color choice comes down to obsidian, snow, and hazel. Elsewhere, it remains unclear just how much will be changing in terms of the new look and feel of the Pixel phones. Previously, there had been some suggestions that more macro changes are coming, like the possibility of an under-display selfie camera, but that seems unlikely this time around. Images purported to be of a Pixel 7 prototype surfaced online recently and seem to suggest a familiar overall design. Of course, they are only images of prototypes, so it is still possible that the end result could look very different. Not to mention, the images wire of a Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro could come with some additional design changes to further help differentiate it from the standard model. There is always the caveat that a new and wild-looking Pixel phone could be secretly in development. One of the worst kept Pixel secret is the Pixel Fold, and it is possible that this device could make an appearance at the event, boasting a radically different design philosophy. However, this seems somewhat unlikely. Google has confirmed that it will release two new Pixel phones in fall, and that a new Pixel tablet will arrive in 2023. In reality, it is probably far more likely that the Pixel Fold could make its appearance debut during next year's Google I/O event, with a view to be released in late 2023.